Yo, what's up? Hello, people. My name is Clark Asari from C Animal Studios, and welcome to CL3D Vibe. Thank you for joining me today. But actually, today I'll be moving a bit fast because I'm actually working on something right now, and I'm a bit busy right now. But I decided to take a break just to do this tutorial for you guys. So as always, if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified whenever I post tutorials on this channel. So without much ado, let's get to After Effects. All right. Okay, so we are in After Effects, and actually what we're going to do today, we are going to learn something about motion tracking in After Effects using Mocha AECC. Actually, in After Effects we have it has its own tracker, which most people use that as a 3D tracker or the camera tracker in After Effects. But recently, I think in the later version of After Effects, Mocha AE decided to merge out with After Effects. I think they have a partnership or something, but now Mocha AECC is free and it is installed already in After Effects. Actually, we have two versions. We have Mocha Pro, which is the flagship of Mocha, which has a lot of features like remover, stabilize, and a whole lot of stuff into it. It's a whole lot of packed into it using the VFX and kind of the award-winning Mocha stuff they do. But well, this is what we're gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna use it to track my logo into the scene, and as you can see, it's actually tracked into the scene realistically, because I just straight it off. You can see that I used a simple footage I took from the internet, and I just tracked it. I just tracked it inside. So without much ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. So I'll be leaving this footage in the description for you guys to download, and maybe if you want to use it, but you can use anything that you want. You can use your own logo or anything that you want to fix inside. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drag the footage and create a new comp. Now what you have to make sure you do is set the resolution to full. If you set it to half, the track is not going to work, so you just have to set it to full. And then next, what you're going to do is go to effects, go to Boris FX Mocha, and click on Mocha AECC. Okay, now before I click on the button, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to trim my comp to about 6 seconds, or okay, let's leave it around 8 seconds. We tap in, we right click here, then we trim comp. Okay, all right. So next, what we're going to do is just click on Mocha. Okay, now we are in Mocha AECC plugin. It's actually a new interface altogether. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create a path or a space where we want to track our logo into. So first, what we're going to do is click on this X-spline tool. There's a lot of tools here, but I want to choose on the X-spline for this sake. I'll just draw the space I want to track my logo into, and right click to get it loose. Then we click on the show planar surface. Then what we got to do is just position this corners into our spline. Doesn't have to be, it just have to be in the spline. We click on the show planar grid. Okay, it's perfectly done. And next, what we're going to do is just click on perspective, make sure that everything is selected. It depends on what you want to track. So but with this we need all of them selected. And next, make sure it's at the starting frame. Then we click on the track for it to start tracking. Okay, so as we are waiting for it to track, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button and click on the notification, that's the bell, and get notified when we post new tutorials in here. And actually everything that I'll be using in this project or in this tutorial, that's the footage, will be left in the description below. And if you have any comments too, or you don't understand anything too, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to you and answer every one comment that comes on. And yeah, let's wait for it to load. Let me time lapse this so that we can do it faster and get on with it. Okay, so our track is done. All we have to do next right now is just click on file and save project and access from Mocha. And all you have to do next now is just go to the tracking data and create a track data into this footage. That's migrating all the track data from the Mocha interface into After Effects. So let's click on create track, then we'll click on this star for it to appear. This layer is from the Mocha AECC, which contains all our track data. Then we'll click on OK for it to load everything into our footage. So when we tap U on this footage, you can see that everything has been tracked into it. Okay, yeah, we can see that everything has been tracked into it. And next, what we're going to do right here is just export our logo into the scene. So I'm just gonna drag my logo into the scene, drag it into the scene. Yep, tap on X to scale it down a bit. Yep. And what I'm going to do next is pre-compose, name it logo, move our attributes to the new composition. Boom. So next, what I'm going to do is just click on the camera, that's the footage. Okay, and I'll click on effect controls and go to export options. I'm gonna click on corner pin support motion blur and select my logo at the layer export to, and select effect and max, then click apply. Now let's see what happens. It will just snap to where we tracked. Boom, now we have it there. Now you can see that it has been tracked into our scene and it is lying down. It's not going anywhere. All right. But I think we're done with everything right now. This is how it's going to be, but to make it blend to the scene, I want to show you something here. What we're going to do right now is just select this, and what we're going to do is just right click and type fractal noise. Boom. All right, so what we're going to do is that we're going to select a block. All right, actually what I just let me check something out. Okay, so what I just used, maybe I just used something right now, and I think so. What we're gonna do next is we go to effects, noise, and fractal noise. Okay, so the next what we're going to do is that we're going to select block. I think this is good. We go to transform. Yep, and we untick the uniform scaling. I'm just going to drag this a bit more like that. This more, yep, a bit like that, not that much, but yep, a bit more like that. And I'm just gonna work on the brightness and the, yes, on that a little. And what we're gonna do next is just on this side, we just click on the mode and we click multiply. Where's multiply? Yep, boom. Now when we get back to the scene, boom. Oh shit, I think I overused it or something. Yeah, so to make it a bit more blend into the scene, all you have to do is just bring down the contrast a bit. Yep, and let's check it out. Okay, let's go. Let me check something out. Good. Instead of making it multiply here, you just have to make it multiply in this part. Okay, so let me tweak the whenever that we post tutorials into the scene. Well, I have to go right now, so thank you for everything, guys, and thanks for supporting clockwise, and please remember to share. All right, thank you.